Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best 80s style is probably one of the most iconic and influential fashion eras, characterized by bold colors, unique silhouettes, and a spirit of self-expression that continues to inspire trends today. From power suits and shoulder pads to neon fabrics and acid-wash denim, the 80s offered a diverse range of looks that celebrated individuality and a sense of fun, making it a timeless source of fashion inspiration for those looking to make a statement. Number 5. SweatyRocks Women's Graphic Crop Tee. Introducing a stylish crop top perfect for your summer wardrobe. Its distressed design adds a trendy, laid-back vibe to any outfit. This short-sleeve tee features a unique distressed look, making it a standout piece. It's designed for comfort and a fashionable appearance. Elevate your going-out look with this versatile top. It pairs perfectly with jeans or shorts for a complete, chic ensemble. Crafted from soft, breathable fabric, this top keeps you cool and comfortable all day long. Enjoy the summer in style and ease. Add this must-have graphic tee to your collection. It's the ideal blend of comfort, style, and trend-setting design for any casual occasion. What we like. This top offers a vintage, distressed look perfect for a casual summer vibe. Its crop style is trendy and easy to pair with high-waisted bottoms. If you love a laid-back, retro aesthetic, this is a great choice for everyday wear. What people say. The product is designed with a classic 80s aesthetic, featuring vibrant colors and geometric patterns that evoke the era. It includes several functional features reminiscent of 80s technology, such as a built-in cassette player and a retro digital display. The build quality is solid, with durable materials that give it a substantial feel, much like the electronics from the 1980s. Number 4. Blulu 80s Retro Costume Accessories Set. Transport yourself to the vibrant 80s with this complete costume accessory set. It's perfect for themed parties and events. This set includes everything you need to achieve an authentic 80s vibe. From lace headbands to fishnet gloves, you'll have it all. Add the perfect finishing touches to your retro outfit. The included necklace and bracelet will make your look pop. Channel your favorite 80s icons with these stylish accessories. They are designed to make you stand out from the crowd. Whether it's a costume party, a retro night, or a special event, these accessories are your go-to choice. Get ready to impress. What we like. This set provides a comprehensive 80s costume with lace and fishnet accents. It includes all the essential accessories for a themed party or event. If you need a quick and easy way to achieve an authentic 80s look for a costume party, this is ideal. What people say. The product has a classic 80s style design. It features a retro aesthetic that is very appealing. The build quality is solid, reminiscent of 80s craftsmanship. Number 3. Blulu 80s Retro Party Costume Kit. Get ready to travel back to the totally awesome 1980s. This costume kit is your ticket to reliving the decade of big hair and bold fashion. This 5-piece set includes everything you need to create an authentic 80s look. It's perfect for any retro-themed party or costume event. You'll find essential accessories like fishnet gloves, a lace headband, earrings, a necklace, and a bracelet. These pieces capture the essence of 80s style. Channel your favorite 80s pop stars and fashion icons with these fun and vibrant accessories. They are designed to make you stand out. Whether you're attending a costume party, a themed event, or just want to have some dress-up fun, this kit offers a complete and stylish solution. Crafted with attention to detail, these accessories offer both quality and authentic 80s flair. They are durable and designed for maximum retro impact. What we like. This kit delivers a classic 80s party look with key retro elements. The inclusion of fishnet gloves adds a distinct touch of the era. If you're aiming for a stylish, retro party ensemble without the hassle of picking individual pieces, this set is perfect. What people say. The product is a great addition to any 80s themed party. The design captures the essence of the 80s perfectly, with vibrant colors and iconic imagery. It's a fun and nostalgic item that brings back memories of the 80s era. Number 2. Artsadd Men's 80s Hawaiian Shirt. Embrace the vibrant spirit of the 80s with this iconic Hawaiian shirt. Perfect for adding a touch of retro flair to your wardrobe. This button-down shirt captures the essence of 80s fashion. Its classic design and comfortable fit make it a standout piece. Featuring eye-catching patterns and a relaxed silhouette, it's designed for those who love to make a statement. Get ready to turn heads. Whether for a themed party or a casual day out, this shirt offers effortless style. Pair it with jeans or shorts for a complete look. Made with attention to detail, this garment ensures both style and durability. Enjoy a comfortable and fashionable experience. Add this essential piece to your collection for instant retro appeal. It's the perfect way to express your unique style. What we like. This shirt captures the vibrant spirit of 80s casual fashion with its bold Hawaiian print. The button-down design makes it versatile for various occasions. If you're a man looking for a statement piece that embodies fun, retro style, this is a fantastic option for parties or casual outings. What people say. The design is very authentic to the 80s era, with vibrant colors and classic patterns. The fabric quality is surprisingly good. It feels durable and comfortable to wear. The fit is true to size, making it easy to order without worrying about exchanges. Number 1. SATINIOR 80s-90s Workout Costume Accessory Set. Get ready to relive the iconic fashion of the 80s and 90s. This set is perfect for your next retro-themed event or workout. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to achieve that authentic vintage vibe. It's designed for both style and comfort. Accessorize with colorful leg warmers, a stylish headband, and absorbent wristbands. These pieces add a playful touch to any outfit. Don't forget the swimwear suit. It's designed to complement the retro theme, making you stand out whether you're at the pool or a party. Whether you're hitting the gym for a throwback workout or heading to a themed party, this outfit set has you covered. Embrace the nostalgia. Channel your favorite 80s or 90s pop culture icons with this complete costume set. It's an easy way to make a bold fashion statement. What we like. This set is perfect for channeling an 80s or 90s workout aesthetic, complete with leg warmers. It offers a fun and functional costume for themed fitness events or parties. If you're looking for an authentic retro athletic look with a playful twist, this is the set for you. What people say. The product is a great addition to any 80s themed party. The design captures the essence of the 80s perfectly, with vibrant colors and iconic patterns. It's a fun and nostalgic item that brings back memories of the 80s era. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.